Ready? Start. The petitioners have approached this court contending that the respondents have committed contempt of the order dated 15th February 2021 passed by this court. Stop. The present proceedings have a checkered history. Stop. The petitioners were appointed in various corporations in the erstwhile state of Bihar much prior to 1996. Stop. In the year 1996, the Hodder scam resulted in a large number of employees working in the Treasury Department either being dismissed or suspended. Stop. On account of shortfall of the employees in the Treasury Department, several corporations including the one, wherein the petitioners were employed, were directed by the Department of Finance, Treasury and Accounts Directorate, Government of Bihar, YD its letter number 447 dated 24th August 1996, to send the services of the employees on deputation. Stop. In pursuance to the directions dated 24th August 1996, issued by the state government, the petitioners and other employees were relieved and joined the different treasuries in the erstwhile state of Bihar. Stop. On 15th November 2000, the state of Bihar was bifurcated into the state of Bihar and the state of Jharkhand. Stop. The employees were accordingly apportioned amongst the two states. Stop. Various such employees employed with the state of Jharkhand and had approached the Jharkhand High Court by filing writ petition being writ petition number 1693 of 2012, with the grievance that the services of such employees with the corporations were not considered for the purpose of pensionary and retirement benefits. Stop. The employees succeeds before the Jharkhand High Court YD its order dated 31st July 2013. Stop. The LPA number 357 of 2013 filed by the state of Jharkhand Bihar before the division bench was also dismissed. YD order dated 14th January 2015. Stop. The state of Jharkhand came up before this court by filing civil appeal number 13372 of 2015. Stop. This court, YD order dated 7th September 2017, refused to interfere with the order of the Jharkhand High Court dated 14th January 2015 and directed that the pension and retirement benefits as also the arrears shall be calculated, giving the benefit of the judgment of the Jharkhand High Court within a period of 6 months. Stop. Simultaneously, a similar set of employees who were apportioned to the state of Bihar, were also pursuing the remedy before the High Court of Jharkhand at Patna. Stop. The proceedings reached the division bench of the High Court of Patna by way of LPA number 763 of 2017. Stop. The division bench of the High Court of Patna passed the following order on 12th December 2017. Stop. From the aforesaid legal principles laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court, it is clear that the employees identically situated like the appellants herein, who were working in various public sector undertakings, boards and corporations in the undivided state of Bihar and whose cases were decided by the High Court of Jharkhand, have been granted benefit, and the Honorable Supreme Court held that they are entitled to count their service prior to their absorption for the purpose of retirement benefits and grant all pensionary benefits. Stop. That being the position, we see no reason to deny the same benefit to these appellants, who are identically situated, like the other, who are allocated to state of Jharkhand after reorganization of the state of Bihar in the year 2000. Stop para. In view of the aforesaid, we allow all these appeals, quas the order dated 29/3/2017 passed by the writ code in CWJC number 7702 of 2010 and other analogs cases, and direct the state of Bihar to grant benefit to each of the appellants herein by counting services as rendered by them in the boards, corporations and public sector undertakings prior to their absorption, and to grant them the pensionary benefit after counting such service in the boards or corporations. Stop para. That apart, we may observe that this order shall be made applicable to all such employees, who are working in the state of Bihar, stop, regardless to the fact as to whether they have filed writ application or not, as per the litigation policy of the state of Bihar, this order shall be implemented, in the case of all identically situated employees, who claim the benefit by the state government, stop, the benefits accrued to the appellants by virtue of this order by granted within a period of 3 months from today. Stop para. In the circumstances, we are of the view that the special leave petitions need to be dismissed. Stop. Considering that the respondents have not been paid anything, the state of Bihar to implement the impugned LPA judgment and to see that all benefits mentioned therein are paid within a period of 6 months from today. Stop. Pending applications stand disposed of. Stop para. After the said order was passed, the state of Bihar issued a government resolution dated 14th September 2020 in purported compliance of the order passed by this court dated 4th March 2020. Stop. Contending that the state of Bihar has not complied with the directions issued by this court. Stop. The present petitioner filed a contempt petition, being contempt petition diary number 21402 of 2020 before this court. Stop para. Thereafter, the respondents had also filed an application for extension of the period for compliance of the orders passed by this court dated 4th March 2020 and 15th February 2021. Stop. 1 month was granted by this court YD its order dated 29th June 2021 as a last opportunity to comply with the directions passed by it YD its earlier orders. Stop. The petitioners have now approached this court by the present contempt petition, contending that the respondents have committed contempt of this court inasmuch as they have failed to comply with the orders passed by this court dated 4th March 2020 and 15th February 2021. Stop para. Sri Ranjit Kumar, learned senior counsel, submitted that as a matter of fact, the respondent state of Bihar has complied with the directions issued by this court YD order dated 15th February 2021, inasmuch as the government resolution dated 14th September 2020 squarely implements the directions issued by this court. Stop. He submitted that such an observation is not there in the order passed by this court dated 4th March 2020 while dismissing the appeals filed by the state of Bihar.